So I don't know if you like a good deal, but I love a good deal. This is my last carryover with bunk beds. It's a Della Terra. I mean, it's just packed with stuff, and what a great price. So we got electric tongue jack on the front. We're going to give you 2 filled propane tanks and a brand new interstate battery. It's got a battery shutoff switch right over there. Look how nicely done this is. It's got pass-through storage. 2 lights, not one, all nicely done. Flip up steps, awning with awning lights. You could put a TV outside if you want to. We're going to swing around the back here. It's got a full-size spare tire, tankless water heater. It's backup camera prepped and ladder prepped. If you have questions about that, give me a shout. We sell both here. There's your dump station. It's got an outside shower, black tank flush. There's an upgraded air conditioner, so you have the 15K air conditioner on the roof along with solar. And we're gonna swing around inside right now. So what you'll notice when you walk in here is the ceiling's taller. So you got a 2-inch taller ceiling than most other brands. There's your solar charge controller. All your gadgets, tanks, fills, slide, awning out, all that's right there. Lots of counter space. Nice high-rise faucet. Stainless steel sink. 2-burner stove. Lots of storage here. This is a huge 10.7 cubic foot fridge. Look at all that space you got. I mean, come on, big wide bunk beds. The other door goes into the bathroom, which is great. So if you're at the campground, somebody needs to go, you don't have to trample through the whole place. Foot flush toilet. You even have a tub surround. I should say a shower surround. Fan up top there with like a little skylight kind of a vent. And then working medicine cabinet. I've seen where there's just a mirror in there too. You got ducted air in the walls, not in the floor, so you don't have those vents everywhere for the heat ducts. Got a nice big table. So this is a 48-inch table, not a 40-inch table. So 4 adults can sit there nicely. Look at my clearance price. Ridiculous. Come and scoop my last one up. You see right there what we did? We added the 15K air, 200-watt solar panel, the spare tire and carrier like I told you out there, and all the standards right there. It's even got the Winegard 360 Air Plus. Look that up. That's great. So along with these bunk beds, whoever's there has phone chargers. There's USB and USB-Cs. 2 windows, 1 on each. Working windows there. Lots of window space. Look at that. Windows in the slide. Let's go check out the bedroom real quick. Look at that nice big spot. You could put a huge TV right there. Like I said, this is my last camper for this price this year. The new ones are over 30 grand. More light in here. Another spot for a TV. King size bed, standard. You don't want a king? We'll throw in a queen instead. I can swap it out. No problem. You got a shelf up there for your stuff. Hanging storage on each side of the bed. Even storage under the bed. And see, they don't... Let's see over here. See how nicely done that is? It's all beefed up with the hinges so they don't come apart. So right under there where the hinges are, it's all beefed up with extra wood. Hard to see, but there it is. And then even in here, plugs and USB and USB-Cs both sides. The Winegard Air 360 Plus. If you got questions, call me. But you can add what's called a Gateway 1000 and get even more reception. It's basically like digital antenna, and then you could add more. So you get, and this folds down into a bed. So you got another sleeping spot there and storage underneath. I mean, just a cool camper. Come in and scoop this last one up from me. Thank you.